Glossary. Sector is a conglomeration of different business operations having similar business and interest. It may also be defined as a distinct subset of the economy whose components share similar characteristics and interests. Subsector is derived from a further breakdown based on the characteristics and interest of its components. Occupation is a set of job roles which perform similar or related set of functions in an industry. Job role defines a unique set of functions that together form a unique employment opportunity in an organization. Occupational standards specify the standards of performance an individual must achieve when carrying out a function in the workplace. Together with the knowledge and understanding they need to meet that standard consistently. Occupational standards are applicable both in Indian and global contexts. Performance criteria are statements that together specify the standard of performance required when carrying out a task. National occupational standards. NOS are occupational standards which apply uniquely in the Indian context. Qualification pack comprises the set of OS together with the educational training and other criteria required to perform a job role. A qualification pack is assigned a unique qualification pack code. Unit code is a unique identifier for an occupational standard which is denoted by an N. Unit title gives a clear overall statement about that the incumbent should be able to do. Description gives a short summary of the unit content. This would be helpful to anyone searching on a database to verify that this is the appropriate OS they are looking for. Scope is a set of statements specifying the range of variables that an individual may have to deal with in carrying out the function which have a critical impact on quality of performance required. Knowledge and understanding are statements which together specify the technical, generic, professional and organizational specific knowledge that an individual needs in order to perform to the required standard. Organizational context includes the way the organization is structured and how it operates, including the extent of operative knowledge managers have of their relevant areas of responsibility. Technical knowledge is the specific knowledge needed to accomplish specific designated responsibilities. Core skills or generic skills are a group of skills that are key to learning and working in today's world. These skills are typically needed in any work environment in today's world. In the context of the OS, this include communication related skills that are applicable to most job roles. Electives are NOS set of NOS that are identified by the sector as contribute to specialization in the job role. There may be multiple electives within a QP for each specialized job role. Trainees must select at least one elective for the successful completion of a QP with electives. Options are NOS, set of NOS that are identified by the sector as additional skills. There may be multiple options within a QP. It is not mandatory to select any of the options to complete a QP with options.